Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. Listen, you guys, I am so sorry. Uguga kufikile futhi kuhlela kwindawo ngibe ngisathe ngiyakhahlela kuhlela uguga. So this morning I posted a video that I thought had an audio, and then later on, like lunchtime at work, I'm like, Aibo. Hey, hi guys, I'm sorry. Okay, listen. Now I have to remember what I was saying in the morning. But anyways, you guys. So this post, a lot of creators were posting this, sharing this post, which was Makwela's post, about being a mom, which is not an unusual thing, because as a mom, sometimes you're like, who can take these kids away? Okay, does anybody want to take them away? Because we just need a break. But I was talking about how with Umakwela, I feel like ever since she had Umtwana, she hasn't really said or expressed any pleasure in the fact that she's a mom now. It's almost like she feels like Ingane has made her life worse than how it was before. And as much as it is understandable, but I was feeling like I haven't had her just being joyous in being a mom, and looking like she's enjoying being a mom. Also, when she was on the show Uncut, it felt like she's very stressed, and it was hard to even understand whether it's because she is a new mom or because also there's this relationship that she has with Musamselego that is very, very stressful. And also that relationship has changed, because now she did say that her relationship with Mosamselego has changed ever since her child came. She feels like she gave birth to imbangi yakhe, or her own sister wife, because now she doesn't get as much attention as she used to get, which, I mean, obviously you're not, okay? And also I feel like since Umseleko, his intention was to have more kids. Now he realized ukuthi uyazala, and that's what he wants. And he has also expressed ukuthi all that he needs from Umakwela is for her to have babies. And I'm thinking, I mean, if she is tired now, how tired is she going to be after 9 kids? That is, if she decides to give Umseleko what he really wants, which is the 20 kids. So I feel like I do understand a little bit her, just the post that she's posting, but it would be nice to hear her talk about, positive things about, being a mom. Maybe she doesn't feel like that right now, but at times I feel like it's a little bit worrying that she doesn't seem to be enjoying being a mom. And a lot of the comments also on Facebook were talking about that. Does this lady even like the fact that, oh mama, does she even like the fact that she has a child? Does she even like her child? Because most of the time when she's asked, even in a diary session, even when she's asked about being a mom, asked about the baby, it's always the response that is more like complaining, okay? But then again, guys, Velipila having kids is a lot, okay? It is a lot. Anyways, so guys, I'm sorry to post a video that did not have audio, okay? And my voice over in the morning was so much better than this one. I promise you guys, okay? You guys just have to accept that your creator is getting a little bit older, okay? Ay, ngiyadlala kubukhona. Kubcon. Hey, I'm very young and fresh. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before share it with your friends, with your family, and even with the strangers. Ngintanda kakhulu.